Trust it or not, there are chemicals in a large portion of the foods grown from the ground that we eat each day. These chemicals are called pesticides and are utilized by ranchers to keep bugs from their harvests. In any case, now and again a portion of the chemicals leave a buildup on the products of the soil. More often than not, the deposit can't be seen without a logical magnifying instrument or maybe an amplifying glass. Despite the fact that we may not see the buildup, we are likely as yet devouring it. Excessively numerous of these chemicals can influence our well-being. In the event that foods grown from the ground are eaten crude, without appropriately being washed, you are ingesting chemicals. This is critical in light of the fact that pesticides can cause malignancy. They can likewise harm your sensory system and conceptive framework. They can even reason birth deformities to an unborn youngster. It is critical to note where you are buying your products of the soil from and what kinds of chemicals, assuming any, that agriculturist employments. Whenever possible, purchase natural products of the soil with the goal that you know no pesticides were utilized on your create. In any case, on the off chance that you purchase natural or not, it is critical to legitimately clean your foods grown from the ground to expel any deposit. Beneath you will discover a rundown of all characteristic approaches to clean products of the soil. These home tips can influence you to feel more beneficial, increment your life expectancy, and abatement your danger of malady. 1. Vinegar. Vinegar is a standout amongst the most capable fixings that assistance to eliminate germs and pesticides from your products of the soil. First, fill a sink with water. Then, include 1 measure of white vinegar. Rinse the foods grown from the ground in this arrangement. Once finished, put the foods grown from the ground in a spotless bowl. They are presently prepared to be eaten. 2. Baking soda. Baking soda evacuates the unsafe pesticides and chemicals from products of the soil. Add 5 glasses of water to a major bowl. Add 4 tablespoons of baking soda. Soak the products of the soil in this arrangement. Wait 15 minutes and afterward expel the foods grown from the ground. Wipe them dry. It is currently protected to eat your solid sustenance. 3. Turmeric water. Turmeric is a zest that goes about as an antibacterial. That implies that it can eliminate germs. To a bowl of bubbling water, include 5 teaspoons of turmeric powder. Add the foods grown from the ground to the turmeric water. Rinse the leafy foods in the turmeric water. Transfer the leafy foods to a bowl of clean water. Wipe dry. Your leafy foods are presently sheltered to eat. 4. Salt. Salt is a notable compound discovered everywhere throughout the world. It comes in a few structures. Shake salt and ground salt executes pesticides rapidly. In a bowl of clean water, include some salt. Add the foods grown from the ground to the salt arrangement. Allow them to absorb the water for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, deplete the salt water and add crisp water to the bowl. Rinse the foods grown from the ground in clean water 5 times before expending. The traps and tips recorded above will evacuate very nearly 90% of any buildup left from any chemicals the rancher may utilize. They enable you to clean your products of the soil at home. In any case, to be erring on the side of caution, peel the skin off products of the soil that have profound edges on the skin.